Ducts are routinely used in electrical and other construction installations. There are many different types of ducts, and the following illustrations will show some of the common ducts. The most common duct is the round duct. However, for many situations, a square duct will fit in corners and leave a neater looking installation. Where several ducts converge together, it is not unusual to find branch ducts. Other special circumstances may call for a lined duct, and in heating and cooling applications, insulated ducts are often required. In buildings with suspended ceilings and in warehouses, it is common to see ducts suspended from the ceiling. Electrical equipment using ground buses will also require a bus duct. Transitions from one duct to another require the use of flexible ducts. The two biggest nightmares of building and electrical inspectors are to find field fabricated ducts, one, that do not resemble ducts at all, or secondly, to find exhaust ducts that are not working.